high as I've ever been, higher than heaven sits. Roll up my weed and think about my exes and jealousness, how to stay current and relevant.
Yo, hey guys, it's me again. And today I have a special video installing my new steering wheel for my 2016 Mustang GT. Special thanks to TESFEEL for sending me out one of their red Mustang steering wheels for me to test out. Link down in description to the Amazon product link, where you can find this exact steering wheel, as well as different color versions. This wheel is actually priced very good considering what you get. Back in the day, a few years ago, the only Mustang steering wheels you could get were from American Muscle, and they were like $500 at least. And if you're looking for a steering wheel with shift lights, TESFEEL has you covered with one very similar to this one for a little bit more money. I would definitely like to check one of those out with the shift lights. It would make the car feel more like a Ferrari. Anyway, this steering wheel kind of reminds me of the ones in the new C8 Corvettes with the flat top and flat bottom. Not to mention the red and carbon fiber that looks very similar. If you guys remember correctly, I have already installed this wraparound steering wheel cover that you have to sew up yourself for the Mustang. And although the cover looked fairly cool, it is no match for this new steering wheel with its cool shape. The installation process is actually fairly simple if you've ever removed the steering wheel before on your Mustang. Detach the battery, unclip the airbag and connectors, and unbolt the wheel. After that, it's just a matter of T20 bolts to remove the steering wheel buttons and transfer them onto the new steering wheel. The only part about the installation that had me confused was the paddle shifter location. If you can see from the stock one, it has holes in the metal to bolt the paddle shifters down. But in the new one, I thought they were missing. Turns out they are there, but hiding under the black protective covering over the metal of the steering wheel. You can just poke out the holes with a screwdriver or something, and you're good to go for the paddle shifters. After you put back all the controls, you can decide to put on the included carbon fiber trim pieces or use your existing aluminum ones. I went back and forth putting them on the steering wheel to see how they would look, and I decided that the aluminum ones accented the aluminum in the airbag and around the whole interior. After that, you can install the wheel back on the car and you're good to go. Overall, the steering wheel from TESFEEL was a fairly easy install and everything works as it should, including the paddle shifters. I would highly recommend their products, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description for their Amazon page so you can check them out yourself. Literally zero complaints with the wheel if you install everything correctly. So I give it 5 stars. I guess that's about it for this video. Comment down below what you think of the new steering wheel. Like and subscribe for more car videos. See you guys later. Peace.